Welcome to our guide on how to draft a moment on X, Twitter on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by navigating to your Twitter Moments feed and click on Create New Moment located on the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Provide a title, description, and select a cover photo for your moment to personalize and prepare it for sharing. Step 3. Add tweets that you want to include in your moment by curating content from your feed or searching for specific tweets to feature. Step 4. When you're ready to save your progress and work on your moment later, click on Finish Later to create a draft of your moment. By following these steps, you can easily draft a moment on X, Twitter, using your PC, allowing you to curate and prepare a collection of tweets for sharing at a later time. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to draft a moment on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy creating engaging collections of tweets and capturing memorable moments to share with your audience by utilizing the draft feature to work on your moments at your own pace.